People globally are seeking so-called decent work which provides adequate income for living expenses and protects basic human rights. However, due to the global economic meltdown and subsequent rise in unemployment, many people have turned to the informal sector for career opportunities. Despite becoming a major contributor to economic development, the informal economy provides no security against the various shocks that may disrupt a person's well-being.
The growing consequences about the benefits that good social protection coverage can provide require governments to develop social protection policies that are an important part of the wider strategy for tackling poverty and promotion of the Leave No One Behind agenda. A coordinated package of social assistance, social insurance, labor market and care programs prevent individuals and their families from falling into or further into poverty, promote access to basic services, contribute to economic growth by raising labor productivity, and can strengthen social relations.
Social security is a basic human right, but also a means to reduce poverty and social exclusion, as well as enhance social cohesion and economic productivity. People everywhere face unforeseen challenges posed by unemployment, illness, disability, old age, even death. Countries around the world are therefore working to adapt social protection systems to meet the needs of aging populations, globalization, and changing economic conditions. A workshop was recently held in Zimbabwe to deliberate strategies to promote access to social protections for all. Countries in attendance included Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, and South Africa.
The majority, if not 90 plus, are excluded from the formal social security programs, and that leaves them very vulnerable to the social ills that face us as human beings. Ill health, maternity issues, old age issues, all these critical livelihood issues are not usually covered within the formal arrangements of our country.
Zimbabwe's national social security and pension schemes are administered by the National Social Security Authority and fall under two schemes, the National Pension Scheme and the Workers' Compensation Insurance Fund. However, both schemes currently only cover those in formal employment. Zimbabwe is one of many African countries that have pledged to improve and expand social protections for all. Vic Chege, CGTN.